This is Logitech MX Master 2S, and I have a problem with it. Okay, good morning. This is Logitech MX Master 2S, and this is the predecessor of MX Master 3S. So there's a problem with this mouse, and if you try to on, I think this is already on, but as you can see, there's no cursor moving. However, if I right click, it will work on the right click, but it's not moving. Now this is also true to my brother's mouse, which is the same MX Master 2S, and he's also having trouble like the one that I have right now. And even if you browse the internet, the same thing is happening to some other units of MX Master 2S. So let's fix this. Okay. Okay, so it's loose, it's already loose, so we need to work on this one. So what they said is we just need to untighten this one. Okay. Okay, moment of truth. We already put it together. It's now free. The cursor is now free, and it's working. All right, so I think that's it. That resolved the problem.